Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we will be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Game Traveler Deluxe Travel Case. So I got this from Amazon for $14.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this Game Traveler case out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the case. So here it is. Here's the Nintendo Switch Game Traveler Deluxe Travel Case. This is an official Nintendo product. Here you can see that this can store any model of the Nintendo Switch lineup. Here's what the Game Traveler case once you open it, and here you have three models: the OLED, the Lite, and the original Nintendo Switch. So you can also go ahead and store games on here, like physical games. Here is the presentation of the packaging. Here, this is produced by RDS Industries Inc. Here you have the warning label, model number, and a barcode for this case. You want to look this up, particular product up online. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the packaging. Game Traveler Deluxe Travel Case. Here you have three different models: OLED, the original Switch, and the Lite. Here you can see how this is stored, which we'll be checking it out. And here you have the description: Deluxe Travel Case, hardshell case, protects Nintendo Switch system and features. It features an adjusting viewing angle, recessed bottom insert firmly holds either Nintendo Switch OLED model Switch or Switch Lite, and this has a comfortable carrying handle. This comes with game card case, 2 pieces. Each case holds 4 cards, and as you can see there, it can also hold some micro SD cards. So here's the rest of the information, and as we look to our right, here are some pictures that shows the features on how many game cards that you can, and micro SD cards you can hold. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take out our X-Acto knife and unbox this thing. So let's go ahead and cut through the seal of our X-Acto knife. And let's pull the tab up, and here is the case. And here's the case in black. This comes in multiple designs, such as your favorite video games such as Zelda. They are like the black color, so that's what I went with. And here, let's cut the seal. So it's not the seal, but I just cut a zip tie. So let's go ahead and check out what we have inside. I really love the Nintendo Switch logo on the zipper. And once you open this up, here you are greeted by this user guide designed for all Nintendo Switch systems. Here you have adjustable viewing stand, and this is how you would prop up your Nintendo Switch. Pretty cool there. Viewing stand adjuster Nintendo Switch. And let's move on. Here, this comes with a Velcro wrap, and this has a soft touch cloth interior. Let's remove this protective foam and sheet. Here is the viewing stand, which is all cloth, soft padded cloth, so it doesn't scratch up your Nintendo Switch system. So we're gonna check that out when we take out our Nintendo Switch and try it on how this works. So here are the two cases that holds your games and micro SD card slot for your Nintendo Switch. And here you can store up to 4 games, and here is the micro SD card slot, which can store up to 2, and the micro SD card slot, micro SD is what you have shown there, and that is what it's designed for. So you have another one there, and here's an example. Let's use Nintendo Switch Sports to store this game, and this is how it would be stored, and this is how you would put it inside the game Traveler case. So let's take a closer look at the micro SD XC for the Nintendo Switch. This is by SanDisk. Let's go ahead and remove it from the packaging. So here's it comes with a case from SanDisk, 128 gigabyte. But this is how it would look like if you put it inside one of these cases. You can store up to 2, so total 4 that comes with this product. And here is what it looks like when closed. Pretty cool. So let's take out our Nintendo Switch and see how we can adjust the angle on this thing. So here is the flap here, and yeah, so that is basically how you adjust the angle. You have to use this Velcro strap that is attached here and try to mount it on the other side of the case. And yeah, so that is how you would prop up your viewing angle, or you can always use the kickstand on your Nintendo Switch, original Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch OLED. So yeah, so that's how you would prop up your Nintendo Switch original or Nintendo Switch OLED device. I don't think the Nintendo Switch Lite has a kickstand, but you really can see the versatility of the game Traveler case. So yeah, so let's go ahead and put it back to its original place. And now let's see how well this fits into the case. Here you can see this has recessed openings for your buttons, and this strap here, this viewing stand, serves as a protector for your screen so it doesn't crack. So yeah, so that is how it is being stored in the Nintendo Switch game Traveler case. And it zips up really good, no problems here. I feel like my device is protected. Comes with a comfortable carrying strap, and here's the back side. So yeah, so that is all you need to know for the Nintendo Switch Deluxe Game Traveler case. So if you liked this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trin. I'll definitely see you on the next one.